In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
In this picture, we see a young woman standing on a high viewpoint. She is facing away from the camera with her arms stretched out wide. She is wearing a yellow top, blue denim shorts, and a summer hat with a blue band. Her long hair flows down her back. She stands behind a stone railing with orange columns. In front of her is a beautiful city with many orange rooftops. To the left we see the bright blue sea meeting the land. There is a road with palm trees along the coastline. The beach curves gently along the shore. Far in the distance, we see hills and mountains. The city seems large and full of buildings, churches, and streets. The sky is partly cloudy, but the sun is shining from the left side. The light gives the scene a warm and golden feeling. The woman looks like she is enjoying the view and the fresh air. Her open arms suggest freedom, joy, and peace. She might be a tourist visiting this place for the first time. Or maybe she is celebrating a special moment. This image captures a perfect mix of nature and city life. It makes the viewer feel calm and inspired. The colors are warm, bright, and inviting. It reminds us how beautiful the world is from above. Sometimes we need to stop and look at the big picture. The photo shows that travel is not just about places, but about feelings. I think this picture sends a strong and positive message. It tells us to enjoy the moment and appreciate the view.